I am going to read English newspaper. Mamta announces Rs 1500 crore for bridge to aid Ganga Sagar pilgrims. West Bengal Chief Minister on Tuesday said her government would build a 5-kilometer long bridge over a river connecting the mainland with the Sagar Island where the annual Ganga Sagar Mela is held. Since the center has not responded to its repeated appeals in this regard. The detailed project report for the 4-lane bridge has been conducted, she said. Banerjee named the proposed bridge Ganga Sagar Setu and said that the state would spend Rs 1500 crore to build the structure, the tender of which has been floated. We had repeatedly asked the central government for the bridge, but they did not respond. So we have decided to build it ourselves. The request survey was done, and the DPR and tender for the project were completed. It may take another 4 years to build it, she said. The bridge would be built over the Muri Ganga River. The total cost to build it would be around Rs 1500 crore and the construction would be over by 4 years. This will not only help the pilgrims for the Ganga Sagar but also the inhabitants of the Sagar Island. Banerjee said the West Bengal CM held a meeting at the state secretariat to review the preparations for the upcoming Ganga Sagar Mela scheduled next month. Banerjee further said that the center has not provided a single penny to the state government for the purpose. The center has not provided provided us any financial aid for the Ganga Sagar Mela, though they help the Kumbh Mela and other fairs financially. I had appealed to them to declare Ganga Sagar as a national fair, but they did not pay any attention to that. They also did not give us a single paisa for the construction of the bridge, she said. On the preparations for this season's Ganga Sagar Mela to be held from January 9 to 17. The Bengal CM said that all measures have been taken to make it successful in an apparent reference to the ongoing unrest in neighboring Bangladesh. Banerjee asked various agencies to tighten security measures to counter any attempt to disrupt law and order. I am not discussing this matter here, but there are a few areas which are vulnerable this year. We must keep a watch. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank